Hi, Gideon here and welcome to the channel. In this video, I show you how to use the awesome Fontawesome font library in Davinci Resolve. Let's get to it. Go to the Fontawesome website and download the desktop fonts. If you have them installed already, then you can skip this step. Premium fonts are available, but I shall use the free desktop fonts for this tutorial. Download the zip file to a suitable folder on your computer. Open that folder and extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder and go to the Open Type Font folder OTFS and install these 3 font files. You can choose to install for the current user account or for all users. I have them installed already, so I won't repeat that step. Great! With that done, you can now launch Davinci Resolve and create a new project or use an existing one if you so wish. Before we continue in Davinci, let's go back to the Fontawesome website. Here, you will find all the available icon styles and categories, and you can filter accordingly to find the icon you want to use. When you find the icon, take note of the name. That's what you shall use later in Resolve. I'll show you 3 ways in which you can use these Fontawesome icons. First, use a basic text title. Click on Titles and drag the basic title to your timeline. Select it by giving it a click and go to the right hand side to the font family field to select the Fontawesome fonts. The fonts available are brands, which are regular and free, both regular and solid, just like they are on the Fontawesome website. Let's start with the brands icons. Select a brand and enter the name on the text field, TikTok in my case. The icon appears immediately, and you can then customize as necessary, like changing the color and size. What you can't do is change the tracking. If you do, then the actual text appears instead of the icon. Tracking must remain 0. To overcome this, especially when you use multiple brands, then you must use the text plus title. Second, you can do this by adding a text plus title. Add a text plus title and give it a click to select it. Type in your icon name. I'll use the heart icon. Select the Fontawesome free font. You now notice that the icon doesn't appear automatically like it did with the basic title. Since these fonts are ligature based fonts, there's an extra setting that needs to be set. Scroll down to Advanced Controls and click on Use Ligatures. Set this to all scripts and voila! The icon now appears, and you can now change the tracking value alongside the other customizations like size and color. You can use the regular or solid styles where available. Another advantage of using the text plus title versus the basic title is that you can add advanced animations and animation plugins like Magic Animate from Mr. Alex Tech. He has a video on his channel that shows you how to install and use it. Instead of adding the text plus title in the edit page, you can place your playhead over your media, go to the Fusion page and drag in the text node to your node tree. Everything else is the same as the text plus on the edit page, so remember to set the use ligatures to all scripts. You can do the same customizations like on the edit page, but you have extra effects that you can do on the Fusion page. And that's it. That's how you use the Fontawesome library in Davinci Resolve. If you learned something or found any value in the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Till the next one, lights out.